Hi and welcome. Today we are going to learn how to import and sync Google Slides into your Kahoot. To begin, click Create button and select Kahoot. A pop-up window will appear where you will see the Import Slides option. Here, you will see the Sync with Google Drive button. This is where you can add your slides. Another way is to close this window and click the Add button, then Import, and finally Sync with Google Drive. Now select your presentation. You have the option to add just a few slides by clicking Add on each of them, or you can add all of them at once. If you need to make any changes to your slides, just click Edit at the bottom of your screen, and you will be redirected to your presentation within Google Slides. Make the necessary changes and return to your Kahoot. Now click Update to reflect the recent changes. You can choose if you wish to update just this slide or all of them. After syncing your slides, you can add some quiz questions to make Kahoot even more engaging. Simply click Add and choose the question type. You can arrange the slides and questions in any order you prefer. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. Please remember to leave a comment. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Enjoy Kahooting.